Hey everyone, so like I said, I'm going to continue with Believe Beauty. I bought this color, which is Innocence, and it's like a, what's the word? Oxymoron, because it's so dark. You'd think Innocent would be like a very pale pink color or something, and then the darker colors are like a sexy thing. So I'm gonna use Innocence as my base, and this is super dark, and the colors that I'm using in the Plush purples is actually this color, but I just wanted to try it this way with a dark base, see what happens. So let's dig into that, like, looks like a coppery color, but let's dig into that. Okay, not bad. Let's dig into this color right here because we didn't use that one the last time. At least I don't think we did. My insanity may have, but well, that's interesting. It's pretty dark. And then lastly, I'll use that beige color. I am really impressed with these shadows. Alright, let's try this purple liner again, the metallic liner. Well, you definitely have to do it a couple of times to get it going, because at first it didn't show, but it's showing now. Okay. Alright, so let me finish my makeup, and then I'm going to try out the lipsticks and glosses because I didn't do that last time. Okay. I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So, I finally used the, oh, well, first I wanted to tell you, I removed this color because I did use this color last time, and I put this on, and it looks almost the same. It was just darker and has a tiny bit of shimmer. I used the eyebrow gel, and it's a tinted, and you can see it works really great. I did not think, I got the lightest bronzer, and I did not think it was going to work, but it worked really well on me. And then I used Plum Royale on my lips, and as you can see, it's a pretty dark plum color. So yeah, so those are the new things that I haven't used, and now I'm going to try this on. It's so pretty, but it's so sheer. Sorry. And it definitely lightened it. This is such a beautiful lip gloss, but I didn't realize they were that sheer. So yeah, so I use everything of all the Believe Beauty again this time. I wasn't going to, but I said let me give it another try, and I don't like this for foundation. I've actually been using this. I use this about 4 or 5 times, like at home, and I don't like it for foundation. I think that absorbs too much color, and it's not really giving me a good coverage.